Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain few model problems on time and work. Total problems are including three persons A, B and C. Okay, let's begin. Here is the basic formula for time and work, that is work done is equals to time taken into rate of work, and we'll always take and we should take work done is equals to 1. If a piece of work is done in x days, then the work done in 1 day will 1 by x. This 1 by x is the efficiency of the person. And here is the first question and my favorite question. A and B can do a work in 12 days. B and C can do the same work in 16 days. And C and A can do it in 24. Find the time taken by A, B and C together can finish the work. You can solve this using two methods. One is using formula, and the formula method is 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Here x is time taken by A and B working together, y is time taken by B and C working together, z is time taken by C and A working together. By substituting the values of x, y, z, we will get 32 by 3. We can show it in the form of mixed fraction, that is 10 2 by 3 days. The second method is, if A and B can do a work in 12 days, then work done by A and B in 1 day is 1 by 12. In the same way, B and C is 1 by 16 and C and A is 1 by 24. By adding these three values, A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A is equals to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 24. So here it is 2 into A plus B plus C is equals to 9 by 48. So this 2 will be go to this side, and A plus B plus C is equals to 9 by 96. Here 9 by 96 is work done by A, B and C together in 1 day. So the time taken by A, B and C is equals to inverse of 9 by 96, that is 96 by 9. By cancelling 96 by 9, we will get 32 by 3. In form of mixed fraction, it will be 10 2 by 3. Don't confuse here why should we inverse it, because if the work done by A and B in 1 day is 1 by 2, so the time taken will 1 by 12, so the time taken will be 12, so we should inverse it to get it. The basic and easy question: A can do work in 4 days and B in 6 days and C in 8 days. If they work together, they took how many days to complete the work? A can do work in 4 days, so work done by A in 1 day is 1 by 4. Similarly, work done by B in 1 day is 1 by 6 and C is 1 by 8. The work done by A, B and C together in 1 day is, we have to add these three, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. By adding this, we will get 13 by 24. This is the work done by A, B and C together in 1 day. So the time taken by A, B, C together to complete the work is inverse of 13 by 24, that is 24 by 13. We can view it in mixed fraction, that is 11 by 13 days. Here in this question, A can do a work in 6 days, whereas B can do it in 8 days. With the help of C, they did the work in 3 days. Then C can do the job in how many days? Work done by A, B and C in 1 day will be 1 by 3, as they did the work in 3 days. 1 day work of A will be 1 by 6 and B will be 1 by 8. Here we have to find the time taken by C alone to complete the job. So we have to find, firstly, C's 1 day work. C's 1 day work is A plus B plus C's 1 day work minus of A plus B's 1 day work, that is equals to 1 by 3 minus of 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. That is equals to 1 by 3 minus of 7 by 24. By solving this, we will get 1 by 24. Here 1 by 24 is the C's 1 day work. So C's 1 day work is 1 by 24. Then the time taken by C to complete the work is 24 days. Question is same as the previous one, but they added something that they undertook the work for 3,200 rupees. We have to find how much is to be paid to C. Here the amount should be given to them based on their efficiency, not based on the time taken by them to complete it. So the ratio is 1 by 6 is to 1 by 8 is to 1 by 24. By multiplying with 24, 24 by 6 is to 24 by 8 is to 24 by 24. By solving this, it will become 4 is to 3 is to 1. So ratio is nothing but dividing into parts. So it has 4 parts, it has 3 parts, it has 1 part. Totally 4 plus 3 plus 1, 8 parts. So 3200 divided by 8 is equals to 400. So 400 per part. So it has 4 parts. 4 into 400, 1600 is to 3 into 400, 1200 is to 1 into 400, 400. So comparing, this is 1600 is to 1200 is to 400. This is the ratios of amount paid to A, B and C respectively. So C is paid with 400 rupees. Here this is an interesting question. A, B and C do a piece of work in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. In how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day? So let's start the solution. A's 2 days work will be 2 into 1 by 20, that is equals to 1 by 10. And A, B and C's 1 day work will be 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60, that is equals to 6 plus C, it is equals to 1 by 10. So A's 2 days work is 1 by 10, and the third day he is assisted with B and C. The work done on third day is 1 by 10. So totally the work done in 3 days is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10, that is equals to 1 by 5. So work done in 3 days is 1 by 5. The work done in 1 day will be 1 by 5 by 3, that is equals to 1 by 15. 1 by 15 is work done by in 1 day. So the total work will be done in 15 days. Here A took double the time taken by B and triple the time taken by C to complete the work. They did the work together and completed the work in 2 days. So we have to find B can do the work alone in how many days. Here let us assume the time taken by A to complete the work is X. So if A is X, then time taken by B is X by 2 as A is twice the B, and time taken by C is X by 3 as A is thrice the C. So these are the days taken by them to complete the work. Then the work done by them in 1 day is 1 by X, 2 by X and 3 by X respectively. So by adding this is equals to 1 by 2, as they did the work in 2 days. The work by them together in 1 day is 1 by 2. By adding this 1 by x plus 2 by x plus 3 by x, it will become 6 by x. This is equals to 1 by 2. By solving this, we will get x is equals to 12. So we have to find the time taken by B alone to complete the work. The time taken by B is x by 2. So by substituting the value of x, we will get 12 by 2, that is equals to 6 days. So in 6 days, B alone can complete the work. In this question, they given the time taken by A, B and C to complete the work. But initially, B and C started the work, but they left after 3 days. The remaining work was done by A. So in how many days A completed the work? We have to find out in how many days A completed. So we have firstly B and C started the work. So we have to find the work done by B and C in 3 days. So work done by BSc in one day is 1 by 9 plus 1 by 12. So that is become 7 by 36. So they have worked for 3 days. So the work done by them in 3 days is 3 into 7 by 36. This will become 7 by 12. So this 7 by 12 is the work done. So the remaining work is 1 minus 7 by 12. This is equals to 5 by 12. 5 by 12 is the remaining work. So this remaining work will be done by A. The work done by A in one day is 1 by 24. So the remaining work is 5 by 12. In to let's say that the number of days it took is x, so that we can find the number of days. 1 by 24 x is equals to 5 by 12. Then x is equals to 24 into 5 by 12. By solving this we will get 10. So the remaining work is done by in 10 days. Okay friends, please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment on the comment sections.